Ava, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for the book and for the video.
They're reading the books now. Which one are you going to read first, Liv?
I think this one.
Think that one? Yep. I'm sure that's what Jen was thinking. She had that one picked out.
Definitely.
Ava's reading which one are you reading? The Llama Llama Red Pajamas. Ooh. Do you like the book?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Look at Mommy's phone. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you say Uncle Matt? Aunt Jen? And Tyler. Tyler. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I'm 2.
I too.
You're 2. It was my birthday.
I'll be there.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Fun.
And cupcakes? Cupcake?
Cupcake.
Yeah. Were they yummy?
Mommy.
Yeah. Can you say thank you and blow a kiss? Oh, you're gonna give a kiss? Okay. Mwah. Great. You have a snotty little nose. Perfect. Mwah. Say thank you. Oh, you're not done yet? Mwah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Liv, your turn.
Thank you.
Tyler and
Matt and Jen.
there you go. Not quite awake yet this morning.
Yeah.
All right, say thank you. Bye-bye. Can you say love you?
I do.
Blow kiss. Blow kiss. There you go. Say hope to see you soon.
Hi too. I love Ma.
Yeah? You think so?
Hi too.